plug-in charging in the back there. I don't know what you guys use currently.
Proterra chargers.
Oh, well, Proterra charger, yeah. That's right, they're proprietary. They got their own stuff.
Yeah, so I used to work for Santa. Got our Gillig
Cameras, they're all IP and everything. And the way they work, I mean, the overall doesn't look that great. Like if you look at like a screenshot of it, like it's by view.
Much simpler than Quantum.
Well, you guys have a QPod too. It's just you got one QPod, one Quantum.
Yeah.
A lot of customers just go QPod.
Much simpler.
That's fine.
Customers would like to tell that there's something versus battery.
That was surprising. So we were talking about these. We were trying to see.
Yeah, I know I sent Peter one. He said you guys didn't like the grooves.
The grooves, yeah. Maybe we're just gonna have to switch it.
Nice.
Hi. How's it going?
Good. Oh, it's two-tone. It has a USB charger.
Yeah.
Down there. Where?
Seats.
It's like the beater bus.
No, you'd be surprised. It's USB 460p.
360.
What? Yeah, the camera stop. Yeah, they got three 360s here. One in the front, mid, and rear. They do have a dedicated rear door camera that's like as well.
Is it also like a hardware upgrade or software upgrade to have these?
If the camera vendor has it, that's just part of their system.
That's
I think. Yeah. Yeah, they got the passenger awareness monitor on there too.
It's a reminder that there's cameras in the bus.
Yeah.
They forget the little domes and that for the driver. see enough options. We're not slipping out of that.
Well, that's talking about sending people down here. That's the other thing you end up finding out from doing the in-person inspections.
Yeah.
You spend all that time looking at other things and even playing around with them and finding improvements for yourself.
Yeah. Hmm.